Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the Garageband zip where iOS can manipulate it. Save the zip into Files, use iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. Once it's in Files, you can act on it. Make sure the archive actually contains a band package folder because Garageband needs that package structure. Otherwise, you'll only see raw audio. Also check storage space now because uncompressing and importing requires free room. Once done, go to that saved zip in Files and get ready to uncompress it. You long press the saved zip and tap uncompress. This creates a folder next to the archive. Once done, inspect the new item. It should be a folder with a band suffix. That's the Garageband package. If it's nested in other folders, move it to a simple location on my iPhone or the root of iCloud Drive. Moving reduces path issues and makes the next step reliable. Make sure the folder name keeps the band extension because Garageband detects that exact package type. You import by long pressing the band folder, choosing Share and selecting Open in Garageband. The app will import the project into my songs. If you don't see Open in Garageband, make sure the band is in on my iPhone. Sometimes iCloud paths hide that option, so move and retry. If import fails, check the package integrity. A corrupted zip will unzip wrong and confirm free space. One key tip: if nothing opens, recreate the zip from the original band and repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.